It's crazy that using just your phone, you can create a dynamic dashboard like this and turn it into a beautiful PowerPoint presentation like this. And all you need is Claude on your phone. Imagine that tomorrow you have a presentation and you're about to board your flight, you have your marketing manager next to you, and for now you have nothing. With your marketing manager, you want to see what will be the different scenarios if you change your price and churn on your products. Claude is going to help us do that. We don't type, we dictate. I want to build a scenario for our business, which is a SaaS subscription business. And we have two products. One, the standard at $99 per month, and the other one, the premium at $299 per month. I want to see the base customer at the beginning, then the growth per month, but also the churn. Make a dashboard where I can change all of these variables and I can see the results in different graphs. And that's it. Now you can see that Claude understood everything I said. It's much faster than typing, and I just send it. You can see now the dashboard has been created, and I can change the length of the scenario. I can change the base customer for each of the tier, the standard and the premium, also the new customer per month, and the monthly churn. And you can see that I have first the final MRR, the projected ARR, the total customer, the cumulative revenue, and the graph showing the two products and their evolution. Let's say I want to change for the premium tier the number of new customers to go from 8 to 27 new customers per month. And now you can see that the graph on premium just increased drastically. And here we can see the growth, which is much higher on premium. And there are many more variables that I can change. And I can always ask Claude to change this dashboard to be also able to edit the price per product. Now, based on this, I can really have a discussion with the marketing manager while we are waiting for our flight, change the assumptions, but we still need to present this to the board. Talking about presentation, let's change this dashboard into an Excel file to make a better PowerPoint presentation after. To have graph in my PowerPoint presentation is much easier when the Excel file already exists. And on top, as a CFO, I will want to have this as a backup file, and like this also my team can use it in the future. So I go back into Claude, and here is what I'm going to say. Now I want to change this dashboard into an Excel file model with formulas and also make everything that it is variable. So every assumption is variable, but also I want a sensitivity analysis because I will need to have this analysis later for board presentation. And that's it. Now I send it, it's transcribing, the transcription is done, and now I send it to Claude. See how I always add context in my prompt. This is important if you want to have a result which is as good as possible. Unfortunately, still a lot of CFOs ignore this. That's why this Tuesday I have a free masterclass for you on how to become an AI CFO. Just join by clicking the link in the description below. Now Claude is done and has generated the Excel plus its graph. We are going to click on it. When you click, you just see a preview. And instead of just going into the preview, which also looks already great, it's much better to open it directly into Excel. For this, you just click download. Here, you can see that I can open it directly into Excel. This is our assumptions, and in the bottom, we can see that the monthly recurring revenue is at 79,000. If I change my base customer to 500, we can see that it already changed the monthly recurring revenue. And I can also change the standard price or the premium price. Let's change the premium price to maybe 599. And again, here it impacted the monthly recurring revenue. And of course, it will also impact all of the other tabs like projections, charts, and the sensitivity analysis. Now that we are done playing around in Excel, we can send this file to our team. We can also spend a bit more time on auditing the model. And like I showed in this video, you won't do that manually. You will let Claude help you on this. But here, our next step is to prepare the presentation because tomorrow we still have this meeting and we still want to present this scenario model. So here's what I'm going to say. Now create a presentation based on this Excel file. Make sure that this PowerPoint presentation has first an executive summary. Then I want one slide on the standard model, then another slide on the premium product. And then we also want to have the scenario analysis. And make sure to use our branding guidelines. And finally, use good storytelling techniques to convince the board. Now I'm launching this into Claude, and let's see how Claude is going to build the PowerPoint. Now Claude is done, and like we did with Excel, we are going to open it directly in PowerPoint. And look at this, we have our executive summary, then we have the standard and the premium tier, and we also have the comparison of the two tiers, and also the sensitivity analysis. And finally, a slide with the most important decisions to make tomorrow in our meeting with the board. The presentation is done, and all of this while boarding the flight with my marketing manager. Again, like always, you need to audit the figures. You can use Claude again to ask you to audit and get prepared on this. You can also modify the presentation. It's only the first draft, but look at how fast we went. First from the idea, then the dashboard that I could discuss with my marketing manager, then the Excel file as a documentation, but also as a base for the PowerPoint, and finally this PowerPoint that I can use tomorrow for our presentation with the board, just with my phone. Thank you for watching. For more tips like this, follow me, and don't forget, robots are coming, so stay human.